We're going to Disneyland! Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
We sold our house and we are traveling across the country with our kids.
My name's Goose and this is Maverick. Come join us.
I was telling Goose that Star Tours is by far one of my favorite rides here at Disney, and what did you say? It's one of her favorites too! Could not be more proud of this kid. It's so fast! I love embarrassing my children. Awesome.
Have a great day, Minnie.
Was Maverick afraid?
A little bit.
Oh, poor Mav.
That's why we had to stand one person over.
She has my mouse phobia. As a kid, I was terrified of Chuck E. Cheese. I would hide under the table when he came by around me.
I think it's just things and costumes.
We have made it to character dining. This is the thing Ashley has been most looking forward to. Oh, and Maverick is staring at Tigger. Are you gonna get autographs for all of them too? This is one thing that we actually never did at Disneyland until about a year and a half ago. Oh, he's here. And this is by far, if you have kids, I would totally do the character dining, but don't do the princess one at California Adventure. Oh, poor Maverick. This one's happy to see you. Oh, Grammy's so excited.
I wanna grow.
So as I was saying before, this guy's so rude being interrupted. Definitely do the breakfast buffet thing here, but I think the characters close at 11, so you gotta do it in the morning time. And you can actually make reservations ahead of time on the app or online, but you gotta do it like a month ahead of time or they fill up. Otherwise, they do take walk-ins. That's actually what we're doing right here. But if you want to guarantee a spot, make a reservation ahead of time. We are all rushing to Space Mountain because we have 3 minutes to get to there before our Fast Pass expires. Unfortunately, Grammy and Pops were late this morning, so our breakfast plans didn't line up as we thought. We were gonna hopefully do this ride before. Anyways, it's just funny that we're like rushing through here. Ashley's super full, I'm super full. Can I go to the bathroom? And we're gonna go on a roller coaster. Go, 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 go! We made it! With like 30 seconds to spare, we made it here. Are you getting excited? So bummed for some reason they are doing some sort of refurbishment to Splash Mountain. So like, I would say like one of the top 3 rides here that you think about when you think about Disneyland is closed. So bummed, and this is Pops and Grammy's first time here in like 40 years. So it's such a bummer that they don't get to go on it. As you can see, it's closed. And it's actually funny, you can hear like welding and grinding back in there. So they're obviously doing something to it. Okay, this is cool. Last time we were here, this was all closed because they're working on Star Wars Land back there. But it's so cool that they have opened this all up. And now you can even look back and see the animatronic Native Americans on their horses and stuff. But what I'm excited about is what that crane is doing. That crane is finishing up Star Wars Land. I think it's mid-2019. We are definitely gonna have to come back here because it's gonna be the opening of Star Wars Land, and I could not be more excited for that.
Chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Just got measured and she was barely tall enough. We even put on her special shoes so that way she could get on the ride. Yes! Because last year she wasn't able to do this, so she's been very jealous. Oh, into the spooky cave! Lead the way! Or do you want Daddy to lead the way? I think she's still a little nervous about this.
Once you enter the Chamber of Destiny, look not into the eyes of the idol. That would be dangerous.
Most of the coin machines we have seen here have been nickel or quarter machines. By machines, I mean the ones where they stamp the quarter or penny to get what you want. But we finally found some penny ones, and they're Moana, so it's perfect for Goose. Oh, it's double-sided. Look at that. See, it says Moana on that side, and you flip it over, and it's Pua on that side. That's cool.
Probably all of them.
That's awesome. Excited. Oh, you're nervous to meet her? Why are you nervous? You guys, we are in line to meet Elena of Avalor. We have our dress on, our jewelry on, and you're a little bit nervous to meet her? You think she's gonna be mean, or why are you nervous? You're just nervous? This girl's so cute. Other than the Disney Castle, I think that the carousel is probably one of the most iconic things here at Disneyland. So we are gonna hit that up at dusk, which is like the perfect time to do it. You're riding the baby?
I'm riding the baby.
Oh, and Grammy's on the baby. And poor Mommy and Maverick are way back there. last ride of the day, and we could not have chosen a better ride to finish it with. In fact, Goose even said she wanted to do this. We gave her the option of this or the Buzz Lightyear ride, and she chose correctly. But look at this, this is amazing. We're literally just cruising up. This is better than the Magic Morning. We're just walking right in. Bye C-3PO, bye R2. Lead the way, Goose, lead the way.
I want that slide.
So believe it or not, guys, this one is awake. This one is now asleep.
Well, that one
Curled
got
up
like a
in the-
2.5-hour nap.
What?
That one got a 2.5-hour nap.
That's true. It's like she's one again, you guys. Cute little baby.
So tired.
Remember, guys, stay positive. Life is an adventure. So get out there and make some memories.